In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide likes and views on Threads for iPhone. If you want a calmer, less numbers-driven experience on Threads, hiding like and view counts can help you focus on what's being shared rather than how it performs. Here's how to turn that on quickly and confidently. Make sure you have the Threads app installed on your iPhone and that you're signed in. It also helps to update to the latest version so the menus look the same as what I'm describing. Start by opening the Threads app on your iPhone. Once you're on the main feed, look to the bottom right of the screen and tap your profile picture. This takes you to your profile, where you'll find the controls you need. At the top right of your profile, tap the icon with two lines. This opens the settings menu. Think of this as the control center for how your account behaves and how content appears to you. In the settings list, tap Content Preferences. This section lets you tailor what you see and how certain details are displayed, so it's the right place for reducing on-screen metrics. Next, tap Hide Likes and Views. This is the dedicated option for turning off those visible counters. You'll see a simple switch on this screen. Toggle Hide Likes and Views on. When the switch moves to the on position, the change takes effect right away. From now on, you won't see like and view counts cluttering up your experience, and others won't see those counts on your posts either, depending on how Threads applies this setting across the app. Either way, your content stays the same. This only changes what's shown, not who can interact with your posts. People can still like and view your content, and you'll still get notifications as usual. You're simply choosing not to display the numbers. If you don't notice the change immediately, try leaving and re-entering the app or checking a fresh post in your feed. Also, interface labels can shift slightly with updates, so if the wording varies a bit, you're still in the right place as long as you're in Content Preferences and see the option related to hiding likes and views. And remember, you can come back to the same screen anytime to turn the switch off if you want the counts to reappear. That's all there is to it. Open Threads, go to your profile, tap the settings icon, choose Content Preferences, select Hide Likes and Views, and toggle it on. Enjoy a cleaner, more mindful browsing experience on Threads.